attention. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl? She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why can't you be